Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with Jeremy Marsh Chisel here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this fella right over here. Also, I need to say a huge thank you to my buddy Eden from Alliance Designs for sending me this guy along, so I'm able to share my thoughts with you guys. So this is a pretty cool custom knife, very unique design. Let's check the size right away, because you get 3.5 inch long for the cutting edge and 4.5 inch long almost for the handle, with a 7.75 inch long overall in length. So it's not like a small knife, but it's a very unique knife for sure. This is guys, I mean, look at these lines going on right over here. It's pretty unique. You have a very expensive piece right here. This is, let's say, below $3,000, but upper 2,000. So it's not a cheap one by any means. Copper scales, titanium blue anodized liners, Mike Norris Damascus. I believe this is the Hornet Nest. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments down below. I think this is Zirk. Thumb studs. I mean, the materials are there. This is a crazy piece. Look at the finish just on the clip, which is titanium, and the finish on this copper scale shipwreck finish. I don't know how to call it, but check this pattern over here. Ridiculously done. This is a custom knife, guys. Jeremy Marsh designed it. You can also find a production version made by Alliance Design, and here you get to see this fella in the flesh. It is a liner lock. It is very interesting. It's a thumb stud, dual thumb stud opening with an action that is super fast and snappy. The closing action is not like super nice, but the deployment definitely fast for sure. It has a nice sound as well. The ergos are pretty good because this pointy part just sticks out of my hand, so that's gonna be not too shabby. Let's also quickly check the weight on this fella, because I feel some substantial weight, because the back spacer and these scales are full copper, and therefore, look at that, 4.87 ounces in the pocket. For example, you know, the Alliance Design version, it's like, yeah, that much lighter, but it's using carbon fiber, so it's another story and another video. So here we have like this gorgeous piece. It's beautifully made. I can say that's not for me. It's not my design, preferred design, but I can say that is beautiful. It's a unique one. It's well made. It's expensive. It's quirky, but it's unique, and that's why it's good in the knife world, especially at the moment. So there you have it. If you guys want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.